I had to go into therapy, into a nursing home. It was becoming real difficult. And I went through a spell of depression, anxiety. It just brought me on down.
I think with Vivian, once she went to the nursing home, she had a lot of medical issues going on. I think at some point when she ended up having the knee replacements done, she really felt like she had became a burden to people.
They had me on a lot of different medicine. And I think it was kind of messing with my mind, confusing,
Miss Vivian had got to a point where she felt like the best option was to take her own life. She decided that she would use some of the medications that she had been prescribed for the different diagnoses that she had and OD on those medications. Luckily, she got assistance. They got her to the hospital, got her to the point where she could go back to the nursing home. One thing about Buckeye is we do try to look at a person holistically. It's very easy to notice somebody's physical issues, but we also try to focus on the whole person and look at their mental health as well as their emotional well-being. I think a lot of people have the misinterpretation that suicide typically is younger adults, and that's really not the reality of the situation. People that know Vivian today would probably never think that she got to that point because she is such a beacon of light. She did make it through that, and she did get the help that she needed. Buckeye was there to help support that, and will continue to help support her through her journey to ensure that she doesn't get back to that place. I have a heart for helping those in the community with mental health issues.
Buckeye just come through for me. They took care of everything. It just puts your mind at ease, to know you're laying there sick and you don't have to worry. Buckeye, they were there for me. Because of Buckeye, I can live at home where I'm most comfortable at. I'm in the right environment, I can do whatever I want. And I eat good. So, I love being at home.
Well, I think Miss Vivian does very well in her own apartment, so getting her back into the community was a very big thing for her.
I'm thankful for Buckeye because, like I said, they take care of me. If I have any questions, anything like that, I just call Charlotte up. Charlotte helped me in every way. She even talks to me on the phone, personally. And she went to work helping me find out what I need to do. I'd say Buckeye gave me peace of mind.
Well, helping Vivian makes me feel like we're accomplishing things together. Her story is one of the ones that makes us feel like we are making a difference one person at a time in the community.